Everybody, let me show you what I got going on today. Here I have a Surface Laptop 4, 15-inch model 1979. What happened with this is customer came in, said he had a liquid spill on the side. And when you press these keys, you can feel they're kind of sticky, and some of them are just outright stuck, like these right here. This power button is completely pressed down. So I took it in. It had no power. It wasn't powering on. But these keyboards, usually they're sealed in the back, you know, with this film, so it's hard for things to get through there. And then these boards, have a lot of covers as well on the components. So I thought, we could have had a spill there, but the chances of it, damaging the board was probably going to be minimal. And maybe it would just be a keyboard replacement, specifically since the power button is here. If that got damaged, then of course it's not going to turn on. So I said, let's take a look. Let's open it up, which I already did. Let me take this keyboard off. So you can see back here the keyboard area. You see it has this film all the way across. It usually keeps it sealed up. But if you look right here, there's like this little hole there. Don't ask me what for, but you can see that, and this is actually cleaned up a little bit. The whatever spilled on it got through there. This is another piece of covering that was also back there that got whatever that liquid or syrup or whatever it was that got through. And then you would say, well, at least the motherboard is on this side. No, what happened is that area is right on this power connector. So even though I cleaned this up, to just got to see the connectors, if they're okay or what have you. But you can see that connector there, even after cleaning, damage that has to be replaced. And the connector on the board here, it's super clean, but still has damaged pins. So I'm going to say, with that kind of damage on those pins, that's parts are not even available to replace it. So really, really bad luck with this device. I thought maybe we would have been able to resolve it with a keyboard palm rest replacement, but the liquid got there exactly at the wrong spot and hit right on that connector, and that's going to be a no-go, a no repair. And that's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.